Hello everyone, good morning. My colleague here from the reviewer. Today we're going to review this tablet, an Android tablet from HONOR MagicPad 4. This is the most high-end tablet from HONOR. It's 12.3 inch. It has a IMAX enhanced. So when it comes, it was pre-packaged. So this is the sleeve. So there are two items inside. One is the tablet itself, and the other is actually the keyboard. So let's do an unboxing of the keyboard first. Okay, so the keyboard, once you open, okay, you will get the keyboard itself. Okay, it's actually a magnetic. It connects to the tablet. So this keyboard actually has a trackpad. So the version of the, and then you have the instructions. The version of this tablet that I have is actually 16 GB and 512. So let's put that aside. And this is the gorgeous tablet itself. So I have actually do a pre-testing of it. So I've laminated it from the front and also from the back. Okay, let's put that aside. So inside the box you will get the power charger. Okay, this is the power charger, and then you have the instructions books and also the Magic Pen itself. So let's open it up and see. So inside here you will get the Magic Pen. Okay, so the devices and all this. Okay, the cable. Okay, so this is what you have inside: the instruction books, the cable, and on this side, okay, is the Magic Pen. This is the pen itself. So some call it the pencil. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. So you attach the tablet. Let's put this aside. And this is the tablet itself. So you can just put this magnetic pen on top of the tablet. It will actually connect to it. Okay, so let's turn this tablet on. I pre-charged it. Okay, so the loading screen, HONOR, powered by Android. So this tablet actually powered by MagicOS. Okay, it actually runs very smoothly. I will just okay. This is the login screen. So I pre-set up some of the apps inside already. So it's very smooth. Okay, very smooth. You can have a look at this. This is the Wi-Fi, and then the system update and the tablet itself. So basically you can see, okay, it's 16 GB RAM plus 16 GB HONOR RAM Turbo. So it makes it 32 GB. It has the 10,100 mAh battery life. Okay. MagicPad 4, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 mobile platform. Tablet storage, okay, 512 GB. Okay, this is the model number, build number. Okay, so this is the tablet itself, and it's updated to the latest software. So far I've tested it using it for work and also watching movies and playing games. It's very smooth and it runs very perfectly. And this is one of the slimmest tablet at 4.8. So it's very slim and very durable. You'll be surprised, it's very durable. So maybe we can just try off some apps. Let me see. Hello everyone. So once you have paired the stylus or the pencil to your HONOR tablet, you can actually start writing. So it's actually quite straightforward and easy to use. Okay, you can see how smooth it is. Okay, so one thing you need to pay attention is sometimes there might be a slight lag, but other than that, it's very smooth. See, the speed is good. Okay, you can change different colors, the styles. Okay, so it's good for those artists, you know, digital, you want to draw something, you want to take notes, you still prefer writing. So this is very good. Okay, thanks for watching. That's all for my review today. We'll come back with more updates. Thank you.